Hi everybody, today I'm going to review the XILETU mini desktop compact tripod, and this is it. It really is nicely built, but it has one flaw, and the one flaw is this chintzy little screw that they built here, and it's off center. It's just wobbly. It feels bad. And the rubber gasket that's on it just rotates on it, and it's not stuck to the actual bolt. So when I got it, it was really tightly screwed to the base, and when I tried to open it, it kept slipping and not opening the actual screw. So you can see that there's quite a lot of wobble. I really wish they had a better screw on this, because it just makes the whole thing really cheap, and kind of lack of confidence in the product. However, you know, I can't just knock it like that, because this is just a little part of it, and perhaps maybe the manufacturer could post in a comment, but perhaps I got a defective one, because all the other parts of this device is absolutely nicely made, very stable. I wish the rubber feet were more rubbery, that they would hold better, but they are rubber, not the most grippy rubber, but they are rubber. So if you put it on, you know, surfaces that are not as slippery as this one, they would grip pretty well. The head rotates like this. It goes from side to side, and it has a little bit of movement on this part. Also, when this is not screwed hard to the not tightly screwed, this portion rotates, so you can position the camera however you want. Now this base is removable, so if I tighten this, you see I tighten it and the plastic just rotates. If I tighten it and remove the base, then you'll see that the tripod itself is usable without the head. So for the price, I don't know. I mean, I don't know if I should try to get a new one, because for me this little chintzy screw is really a deal breaker, and it just feels very cheap and non-substantial. Also, if you're planning on using it as like this as a holder, just know that this is aluminum, and it will be very cold in the cold and very hot in hot times. So I would have preferred if these were either rubberized or coated with some other material, or maybe even plastic. You know, there's nothing wrong with plastic that is good quality. So let me show you how I mount a phone on it, and then I'll conclude the video, because really, truly, this didn't have a lot of reviews, and all the reviews were raving it, so I don't know. Nobody mentioned this screw, that, you know, they made this part so big, and yet the screw is so chintzy, and I don't know. It's something about it. All right, so let me screw this on. As you can see, it could hold, I can position, let me tighten this. I can position the camera however I want, like this. I can even hold it, you know, this way. But again, you see how the rubber just slides over the metal? I don't know why they did that. They could have just had a metal knob with you know, with indentation. I forgot what they call it, but there's a trade word for it. One last thing I wanted to show you is how much this weighs, in case of your backpacking, taking it with you on the bike. This is quite substantially heavy at 304 grams, or at 10.7 ounces. So almost like two cell phones. Heavy stuff. Just keep that in mind. Anyway, this was my quick review for the XILETU Mini Desktop Compact Tripod. Hopefully this helped you with your purchasing decision. Please thumb up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Till next time. Bye.